having NGP by first, which molecule can act as a NGP or can participate in neighboring group participation? So for that we are having oxygen, sulfur, halogen, nitrogen. They can participate as a neighboring group, and another option NGP, it may be participated by the molecule which containing pi bond, and another is NGP by the sigma bond. So here I am discussing about 2-3 questions which come to your NET exam or into your theory exam. We will start with the, now the questions will come in your exam. This is the question which come in CSIR NET exam. You have to, they just ask which group is not showing NGP. So I already told you, like if the molecule having any electron donating or pi electron or banana bond kind of electron, so they can participate as a NGP. In A case, if we see, there is oxygen which can easily donate its electron and it will be help to leaving group. Here Cl is the leaving group and O will be act as a nucleophile. So oxygen is act as a nucleophile here. Intramolecular rearrangement will take place and Cl can easily leave the molecule and the double bond will become in this molecule. So here's the NGP will be present in molecule A. Now we will take about the molecule B. So definitely in molecule B, Cl is act as a leaving group, and again O, which is having lone pair of electrons. So lone pair of electron of oxygen can easily help to Cl to leave the molecule, and the next compound will be formed in this form. Now we will come to the point C. If we have seen, this is the simple, this is the chlorocyclohexane. So here's no NGP effect. Why there is no NGP effect? Because here's only the leaving group, but the condition is this, that there should be at least one nucleophile should be present in the molecule. So there is no nucleophile, so intramolecular rearrangement will not take place and NGP will not be present in this. So we can say the rate of reaction A is having rate of reaction is more in comparison to B. Why? Because O is directly nearby to the Cl in comparison to B. So definitely NGP effect is also present in B, but in comparison to A, rate of reaction will be less in B. Now we will take another example which is also come in your theory exam. Question will come in second example. I already told you pi electrons can also act as a neighboring group participation. So I am taking one more example here. In this molecule, if you have seen, it is already having double bond. So this double bond will be act as a nucleophile and OTS is here's the leaving group. Now double bond will be shifted over there and the molecule will be changed in that. Again in second, if we have seen in this, it is already having 2 pi electrons. So definitely NGP effect is more in molecule B in comparison to A. If I remove from A double bond, if I remove the double bond, then there will be no NGP effect. You just wrote down, if double bond is not present, so definitely OTS can't leave easily and NGP effect will be not present over there. So we just recall what we did in this lecture. We just start with the NGP. NGP means neighboring group participation, and this is also known as enchimeric effect. And what is the basic condition? If basic condition NGP, like molecules should contain leaving group as well as one nucleophile. In NGP reaction, there are two steps. Step number 1, the reaction of NGP, it is having intramolecular rearrangement with inversion process, and the intermediate is formed, that is in the cyclic form. Then after that, fast reaction will take place, and intramolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction will be take place, and finally we will get the retention configuration product. So 2 inversion will convert into retention configuration. You have to be noted in NGP mechanism is the formation of cyclic intermediate. This is one of the common feature for that. Now, which molecule can act as a NGP? By NGP as a, so like I already told you, oxygen, sulfur, halogen and nitrogen, they can act as a neighboring group. Another is any molecule which contains pi bond, that is also act as a NGP. And third one, if the molecule having sigma bond means banana bond, not called sigma bond. If they are having banana bond, that will also act as a neighboring group. I will explain everything about every reaction related to oxygen, sulfur, halogen, nitrogen in next my lecture. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.